Understanding card replacement in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, card replacement. This is a commonly used term in various contexts, and understanding it can be really helpful in everyday situations. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning and usage of card replacement. Card replacement refers to the process of obtaining a new card to replace an old or lost one. This term is often used in the context of banking and personal finance. For instance, if you lose your credit or debit card, or if it's stolen, you would contact your bank for a card replacement. This ensures that you get a new card, often with new security details like a different card number or PIN. Banking and finance. In banking, card replacement is a standard service. If your card is damaged, lost, or compromised, banks provide a replacement to ensure continuous access to your funds. Other scenarios. Apart from banking, this term can be applied in other scenarios too, like replacing a membership card, library card, or employee ID card. In these cases, card replacement ensures you regain access to the services and privileges associated with the card. 1. Reporting loss, theft. The first step is to report the loss or theft of the card to the issuing authority, like your bank. 2. Requesting replacement. Next, you formally request a new card, often through an application form or customer service. 3. Verification. The issuing authority will verify your identity and account details. 4. Issuance of new card. Finally, a new card is issued, often mailed to your registered address. Act quickly. If your card is lost or stolen, act fast to prevent unauthorized use. Update automatic payments. Remember to update your card details in any automatic payment setups you have. Safekeeping. Once you receive your new card, keep it in a safe place to avoid a repeat of the situation. We hope this video has been informative and helps you understand the concept of card replacement. Remember, it's a straightforward process, but acting swiftly and responsibly is key. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. See you in the next video.